1. Spaghetti, long, thin cylindrical pasta made from durum wheat, commonly served with tomato sauce, meatballs, or olive oil-based sauces. 2. Fettuccine, flat, thick ribbons of pasta traditionally paired with rich sauces like Alfredo or creamy mushroom sauce. 3. Penne, tube-shaped pasta with angled ends, ideal for holding chunky sauces such as marinara or arrabbiata. 4. Linguine, slightly flattened spaghetti-like pasta often served with seafood or light oil-based sauces. 5. Macaroni, small curved tubular pasta widely used in baked dishes like macaroni and cheese. 6. Fusilli, spiral-shaped pasta designed to trap sauce in its twists, perfect for pesto or thick meat sauces. 7. Rigatoni, large ridged tubes that hold hearty sauces and are often used in baked pasta dishes. 8. Lasagna, wide, flat pasta sheets layered with meat, cheese, and sauce in baked casserole-style dishes. 9. Ravioli, square or circular stuffed pasta filled with cheese, meat, or vegetables, typically served with sauce or broth. 10. Tortellini, ring-shaped stuffed pasta often filled with cheese or meat and served in broth or creamy sauces. 11. Orzo, small rice-shaped pasta commonly used in soups, salads, or light Mediterranean dishes. 12. Tagliatelle, long, flat ribbon pasta similar to fettuccine but slightly narrower, often paired with bolognese sauce. 13. Capellini, extremely thin pasta also known as angel hair, best served with light sauces. 14. Pappardelle, very wide ribbon pasta ideal for rich, slow-cooked meat sauces like ragu. 15. Orecchiette, small ear-shaped pasta from southern Italy that holds chunky vegetables and sauces well. 16. Gnocchi, soft dumpling-like pasta made from potatoes or flour, often served with butter, sage, or tomato sauce. 17. Cavatappi, corkscrew-shaped pasta that works well with creamy or cheesy sauces due to its ridges. 18. Bucatini, thick spaghetti-like pasta with a hollow center, perfect for absorbing sauces. 19. Conchigli, shell-shaped pasta available in various sizes, excellent for trapping sauce inside the shells. 20. Ditalini, short, small tube pasta commonly used in soups like minestrone. 21. Gemelli, twisted twin-strand pasta that holds light cream or vegetable sauces effectively. 22. Farfalle, bow-tie-shaped pasta often used in cold pasta salads or light cream sauces. 23. Ziti, medium-sized smooth tubes frequently used in baked pasta dishes with cheese and tomato sauce. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment.